The ProClean Reservoir pad dispenses liquid as Brava mops to keep the cleaning cloth wet longer. To fill the reservoir, open the fill cap by pulling and swiveling it to the side. Fill the reservoir over a sink as a small amount of fluid can leak out when the cap is closed. Fill reservoir with water or mild cleaning solution and replace fill cap, pressing it in securely so it does not leak. Dampen the blue ProClean microfiber cloth and press onto the Velcro strips. Do not use a dry cloth. Attach the reservoir pad to Brava. Magnets will help it snap into place.